Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And yes guys, now I'm gonna attempt to make some Jamaican Callaloo patty. So guys, if you're from Jamaica, get the Callaloo to sell on the street side or in the market. Now I have one of this. I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna make much, okay? I'm gonna cook up this and show you after. Now we're gonna make the crust. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna put half teaspoon salt. You can go ahead and put 2 teaspoon curry powder and that's it, or you can put 2 teaspoon turmeric. That's it. I'm gonna use one of each. And now I have some unsalted butter. I'm gonna use about 1 stick, all right? And then I'm gonna cut them in little bit of cubes. Go in and you wanna give it some good mix. I wash my hands already. And you wanna break the butter into the flour. Give it a good mix. All right guys, when you break it and it comes in a like crumble like this, I have some ice cold water, and then you want to mix it. This is about a cup, but if I use less or more, I'll let you know. And you want to make it into a little knead, like when you're kneading dumpling. All right. So guys, basically you want to use about 3/4 cups of water. Alright guys, when you get it into a knead like this, you want to cover it. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to leave it in the fridge for about 25 minutes to half an hour, and then I'm going to cook up my callaloo, okay? I'm gonna add some of this oil, a little bit, not much, about 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. I'm gonna add a little piece of pepper to burn in the oil. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of fresh onions. I'm gonna add about half teaspoon of this minced garlic. And I have some bell peppers of all colors. Now my peeps, when you add all of this vegetable, then you can go ahead and add your callaloo and you cover up it and make it steam and cook, alright? But because I'm gonna add this one, it's already cooked, I'm gonna let this saute a little bit and then I'm gonna add it. Now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of my blended seasoning. And now I'm gonna add my callaloo. Add some black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon salt. You can add half, and then I'm just gonna stir all of this in. I'm gonna let all this flavor combine for about another 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn the stove off. It's all done. And you know so guys, I stretch this, you know, because a little bit of callaloo. So once you add lots of vegetable, you stretch the thing so it can share more. If you have a large family, you know if you stretch the thing, alright guys? So we're gonna go back and make the crust. Alright guys, so this is it. And I'm gonna dust the surface. I clean my countertop, okay guys? And I'm gonna press it out a little bit. When I get it like this, I'm gonna sprinkle it again. And also I'm gonna dust my rolling pin, and I'm just gonna flatten it out as thin as how you want it. When you get it like this, I'm gonna use this. This is what I have. You can use a smaller or a bigger one, and I'm gonna make some circles. Now I'm gonna remove all of this because I'm gonna use it again to make more. I'm gonna put it one side. I'm gonna make some egg wash, and I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of water. You can use 1 tablespoon of milk. And I'm gonna beat this together, and that's it. All right guys, so you wanna take some callaloo, portion it and put it in the middle. Right in the middle, just like so. Grab some egg wash, and I'm just gonna line right around, maybe to here, because I'm gonna fold it. And what you want to do, you want to lift this side guys, and let me put it where you can see it. Lift this side, and then you're gonna fold it right over. Use your finger to press the sides. Now you want to go in with any fork, and you just want to squeeze it down together. And now guys, I have my cookie pan, and I'm gonna lightly grease it, optional. Guys, voila. This is it. I made them bigger this time, and I'm gonna use my egg wash, and I'm just gonna go over it so it gives a nice finish when it's all done. Alright my peeps, so I preheat my oven at 375, and I'm gonna bake these bad boy for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Yes, look at that goodness guys. And my peeps, this is the final result. Good Jamaican Callaloo Patties. Yes. I know so now wait, you know. I know so now wait. You know wait for me to broke one and show you, yeah? Alright. Look at the goodness now guys. Can you see that? Good Jamaican Callaloo patty. So good. Alright guys, this is the final result. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Bye guys.